Today I'm taking this simple day look and changing it up for something a little bit more evening appropriate. Using some shimmer, I'm placing it in the inner corner of the eye and across the ball. This shimmer is called Angelic and it's from the Neutral Hues palette by Sports Girl. Now, the color I'm popping in the outer corner is called Cinnamon, so it's slightly darker than the warm tan that I used initially. This will create some drama and really carve out that socket line. Same again on the other side. So just using a fluffy brush, just really buffing it into the outer corner and up into the crease. This just creates that little bit more drama and intensity in the eyes. Now I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner. This is by Rumi Cosmetics, and I'm running this along the lash line. I already do have some mascara on as it was a simple day look, so I'm just placing this just over the top, right against that lash line. I'm using a very fine detailed brush to really pull out the black liner and create a very small wing, placing it up on the tight line as well. Going in on the other side, once again, running it into the lash line and then using that fine angle brush. The angle brush is from BK Beauty, and I'm just using that to smudge out that liner and really sort of define that tiny baby wing. Now I'm going to contour my face with some of the City Bronzer by Maybelline, and this is just to really, again, warm up the face, create a bit more drama and definition, and just make it a little bit more evening appropriate. Same on the other side. This is one of the L'Oreal Morphe brushes that I'm using here. Now, with the cheeks, I'm going into Fernando Hervaz. This is called the Peach Me Blush Palette. It is gorgeous. So I'm just using a really gorgeous peachy shade, placing it over the high points of my cheeks and buffing it in. I'm going to use the same shade on a very small brush and run it through the brow bone. This just really softens the outer corner and really looks like you've blended the eye makeup out appropriately. It also helps to open up those eyes, especially if they're slightly hooded. This is the nude number 2. This is by Fernando Hervaz as well. This lip liner is quite a neutral shade, and it's a really good one to line the lips with. I'm going into the center and the bottom center, the top and bottom, sorry, and I'm just overlining ever so lightly to give myself a slightly larger lip. I don't overline the outer corner. I find it's just too much for me. This is called She's So Peachy. It's a gorgeous gloss by Fernando as well. So it's a perfect pair, this liner and the gloss. And this really just brings that look to light. Now I'm using the black mascara by Prime Prometics, and I'm just placing it over the top of the blue mascara that I had on previously. So just giving it a second coat, once again, adding some drama and creating a more evening look. So sweeping that through. So this is the concealer. Now I'm using the medium by Youngblood, and I'm just placing it in the inner corner and on the outer corner. And I'm using the same brush to just really work that in and smudge it out. This just again creates that drama, cleans up under the eye, and is perfect for a more evening look. I don't tend to use concealer much during the day as I don't find I need it. All set with the Home Beauty powder.